Hello everyone, my name is Marcos and today we're gonna be using the Hair and Beard Black Shampoo. Stay tuned for more tips.
Caught in a landslide, lost underground.
Nishman Hair and Beard Black Shampoo is formulated with real pigments to create natural color to white or gray hair. Package consists of colorant and developer. These two products are mixed and applied even to hair. Let it stay for 3 minutes, which it will be enough to reach a good color.
And then my eyes got used to the darkness, and everyone I knew was lost and so long forgotten.
Thank you for choosing Nishman products. Stay tuned for more tips and see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Now would you break me before you twist the knife? Yeah.